Welcome back to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to set up your PropKing bot. Alright, first go to Products and then select PropKing. Click on View Details. Alright, so let's go through PropKing. I've created a dedicated document where I break down exactly how it works. But here's the overview. PropKing is a breakout expert designed for prop firm challenges and live trading accounts. So, if you want to trade a PAM account for investors or trade prop firm accounts, PropKing is the best bot. Here's how it works. It identifies key swing highs and lows on recent price action, placing pending orders to capture breakout momentum. So, it's a breakout momentum strategy. The EA is designed to operate across currency pairs, but it works best for these three major pairs. It can work on any other pair, but the highest performance we've seen is on GBP/USD, EUR/USD, and USD/JPY. So far, it delivers about a 91% win rate. You can also check its features. You can use it for different prop firm accounts. In a month or two, you should be able to pass your profile challenges. You can see what's inside, who it's for. If you're tired of blowing profit accounts, this is for you. If you want to start a PAMM operation business, this is for you. If you're looking for something low risk that grows gradually, or if you're a fund manager wanting to grow 1 to 10 accounts consistently, this is the bot for you. I also have a breakdown that gives more details about how the bot works. As I mentioned, it's a breakout trading EA. It works with different pending orders and on three major pairs, with a 91% win rate. It operates on a 30-minute time frame. By default, you don't have to set the time frame. It works automatically. Now, for risk management for prop firms. We have different types of risk management. You can risk per trade with a maximum of 0.5% if you're using a prop firm account. You can also do 0.25%. But 0.5% is ideal per pair. Don't go above this so you don't breach your account. For lot size mode, we recommend using risk by dollar. If you're using this for profit, here's the guideline. For example, if you have a $10,000 account, you can risk $50 per trade for every pair. Set the risk to $50 on each chart. During setup, I'll show you exactly how that works. For live accounts, you can trade a maximum of 1% per pair. You can adjust as needed, but we recommend risk by dollar. Why? It's consistent across all pairs. Whether you're trading EUR/USD, GBP/USD, or USD/JPY, risking by dollar ensures the set amount is maintained, with no lot size fluctuation. Pairs like USD/JPY have different pip values that change with price movements. But when you risk by dollar, it automatically adjusts. Easy calculation, simple. Divide your account size by 100, then multiply by your risk percentage. That gives you your set amount per trade. It's perfect for profit and ensures you never exceed drawdown limits due to unexpected lot size increases. Key settings. You can also use alternative modes like risk by percentage, risk by lot size, and others. For trading hours, it automatically detects your broker's time frame. Manual changes are rarely needed. It also has an inbuilt news filter, which closes all positions and orders 60 minutes before and after high-impact news to prevent account breaches. It's recommended to leave the news filter on. As we go through setup, you'll be able to configure it properly. This is how PropKing works. Now, let's purchase it. First, add it to your cart. Then click on Checkout. Choose a payment method. For me, I'll use cryptocurrency because the processing fees are lower. If you have a coupon code, apply it, then click Purchase. For this example, I'll use USDT. Leave your email for feedback, make the payment, and wait a few minutes for processing. Once successful, you'll be redirected back to the platform. Check your email for your Prop King license key. It's ready for use. Now, access your dashboard. Go to My Bots, and you'll find it there. Or click My Bots from here. I currently have 2 bots, Prop King and Fusion Panther. Let's set up Prop King. Click Show More Details. Here, you can see the expiry dates. You have 3 set files, each dedicated to a specific pair. I'll show you exactly how to set up Prop King on your MT5 on your VPS. First, download the set files. Download the main files here. Copy the files from your Downloads folder. Go to your VPS and paste them. To stay organized, create a folder named Prop King and move all files there. Open MT5. Go to File, Open Data folder. MQL5. Experts, and paste the files. Click Refresh in the Experts section. Prop King is now ready for setup. To install the EA on MT5. Go to Tools, Options, Expert Advisors. Enable Allow Automated Trading. Then attach the EA to the chart. Enable inputs. And add your license key. Choose your trading inputs. For me, I'll risk by dollar amount. $10 per trade because my account is small. Leave all other settings as default. Click OK. You'll see the EA is enabled. In a few minutes, it will start working. Repeat the same setup for USD/JPY and EUR/USD. Attach the EA, load the set files, add your license key, choose your risk method, $10 per trade, and it will become active. Once loaded, you can see PropKing active on GBP/USD, USD/JPY, and EUR/USD. You'll see license, time zone, risk mode, and current positions. Once you have this set up, it simply means your PropKing bot is actively working. Congratulations! You've set up your PropKing bot.